So you all have taken this diagram now. Please, those who have not done, please complete it fast. Zaki, Abdullah, are you drawing this diagram? I expect you to draw this right now. Fine. We will continue with the complete, yeah, very good. Okay. So we will complete this topic by discussing the detailed process of how this respiration occurs in human beings in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Bye. अभी कहना
Good afternoon, all of you there. Okay, you all have finished copying with this. We'll start with maths. Okay, in that we were supposed to do exercise 5.3. Any one of you has any difficulty, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll proceed further. Any one of you has any difficulty, please let me know. I'm erasing this. Till that time, please check if you have any difficulty in what we were supposed to do. Any difficulty? Abdul Ahad, any difficulty? Riza, Zaki, any difficulty, anyone? No? Should we begin then? What was the last sum that we had done? Anyone? Riza, what was the last sum that we had done day before? I think find the sum of first 1000 positive integers and find the sum of first n positive integers. That is what was there. Anybody has any other this thing? Please let me know. अगर कुछ डाउट है तो वो बता दो. है किसी को कोई डाउट? हाँ या ना? No doubts? Okay. Chalo. Then let's move further. Right down. Find the sum of first 24 terms. Find the sum of first 24 terms. Find the sum of first 24 terms. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term list of numbers whose nth term is given by whose nth term is given by an equals to 3 plus 2n. An equals to 3 plus 2n. So here what they've given us is an. Okay. And we have to find sum of first 24 numbers. That means sum ढूंढना है. कितने numbers का? 24 का. S24 is question mark. That is what it means. Till here clear? Okay. Now the question that arises is, sir इसमें A क्या है? D क्या है? क्योंकि A D तो पता नहीं है, उसके बगैर हम Sn कैसे ढूंढेंगे? If we do not know A and D, how will we find Sn? Isn't it? That is going to be the question. So we can find A. What is A? A is the first term. First term, that means A1. So here we write A1 excuse me, A1 equals to 3 plus 2 into 1, which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So A1 is 5. A1 is 5. So A I know. To find D, I need A2 also. 3 plus 2 into 2, which is 3 plus 4, which is 7. Similarly, A3, 3 plus 2 into 3, 3 plus 6, which is 9. So now I have the list of numbers as 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Isn't it? So from this, I can find out D. So now I know A equals to 5, D equals to 2. I have to find sum of 24 terms. That means N equals to 24, S 24 equals to question mark. I know the formula Sn equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. 2a plus n minus 1 d. Isn't it? Substitute. N we know is 24. 2. A we know is 5. Plus n is 24 minus 1 and D is 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12 into bracket 2 plus 5 is 10 plus 24 minus 1 is 23 into 2. 12 plus 10 into bracket 12 into bracket 10 plus 23 into 2. We do not add these two terms. First we multiply. So 23 into 2. So S24 equals to 12 into bracket 10 plus 46. 10 plus 46 is 56. So S24 is 24 is how much? 12 into 56. 12 6 are 72. 12 5 are 60 plus 7. S24 is 672. Is that clear? So they have not given us the list, but they've given us AN. Using that, we can find out the numbers. Finding out the numbers, we can get A, D, and N, and then we can find SN. Is this clear? Anybody, any doubts? Please copy this. If there are any doubts, please ask. If you have any doubts in this, please ask. Any queries, any questions, please ask. Finished copying? Let me know. Then we'll proceed with the next one. Copy this. If you have any doubts, any queries, please ask. Otherwise, we'll proceed with the next one. And once you have finished copying this, please let me know. Zaki, finished copying? Abdul Ahad, Zaki, have you all finished it? If you have finished it, then I'll proceed further. Chalo, bolo fast. अगला सम करना है हमको. Okay. Abdul Ahad also done. Good. All of you have done. So let's proceed further. Next one. Write down. A manufacturer of TV sets. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets. In the third year, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year and 700 sets in the seventh year. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming assuming that the production increases uniformly, assuming that the production increases uniformly, assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Find. What is it that we have to find? They've asked us to find three things. Assuming that the production increases uniformly, assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find a fixed number every year, find first production in the first year, find production in the first year. Second, production in the 10th year. Production in the 10th year. Second, production in the 10th year. And third, total production in the first 7 years. Total production in the first 7 years. So we have to find what is the production in the first year. That means we have to find A. Then we have to find production in the 10th year. That means we have to find A10. And we have to find production in the total production in the first 7 years. That means S7. तीन चीजें ढूंढनी है. A, A10 and S7. ये तीन चीजें हमको ढूंढनी है. Okay? Till here clear? Or any doubts? The question has now been written in short. This thing. हाँ, दिया क्या है? Produced 600 sets in the third year. That means A3 is, and in the 7th year it is. ये चीजें हमको दी हुई है. This is the information that we have. Using this information, we have to find out A, A10, S7, all these things. First of all, since we do not know A and D, and there are two these things, we'll say AN, A plus, N minus 1, B. AN equals to A plus N minus 1, D. A3 A3 is given as 600. So A3 will be A plus 3 minus 1 D. That is 600 equals to A plus 2D. 600 equals to A plus 2D. Similarly, A7 will be A plus 7 minus 1 D. That is 700 equals to A plus 6D. 700 equals to A plus 6D. So I've got two equations. a plus 2d, a plus 4d, a plus 6d. Solving them simultaneously like we had done last year, linear equations, okay, into variables. So I'll write this as a plus 6d equals to 700, a plus 2d equals to 600. Subtract minus minus. A minus a will be 0, 6d minus 2d will be 4d. 700 minus 600 is 100. So I've got 4d equals to 100. Therefore, d equals to 25. D equals to 25. Therefore, d equals to 25. Is this clear? How we have got this? Now using this d, I'll substitute it over here and I'll find a. Using d, I'll find a. So I know a plus 2d equals to 600. d is 25. So a plus 2 into 25 equals to 600, which is nothing but 600. A equals to 600 minus 50, because 25 into 2 is 50. When it comes this side, it becomes minus 50. A equals to 550. So found A as 550, D as 25. A is 550, D is 25. A 550, that is what we have to find out, production in the first year. So that is taken care of. Okay. आप यहाँ तक copy कर लो. Parallelly, we can also find out production in the 10th year. So A10 equals to A plus 10 minus 1 D, which is 550 plus 9 into 25, which is 550 plus 225, which is 775. A10 is 775. So production in the 10th year was 775. Copy till here. Then we will look at SN, that is sum of production, total production in the 7th year. Then we'll look at total production in the 7th year. पहले ये करना. Any doubts till here? Once you have done with this, please let me know so that we can proceed with the further this thing. Done? Zaki, Ahad, Ahad. Finished? Okay, there's less than a minute left for this meeting to end. I'll be sending you your user ID, password, meeting ID, password fast. So we will again log in. It seems just a minute is left. All of you have finished. So once we log in, we will continue with the other part. Okay.